Hi, it's Mel from Illamasqua, and today I'm going to show you how to create a no makeup look. Start by applying satin primer. I like to use a pea-sized amount using a fluffy blending brush and apply to the outer edge of the face. To mattify the T-Zone, I apply a small amount of matte veil with my fingers, concentrating on the centre of the face. Next, I apply a small pea-sized amount of skin-based concealer pen using a small fluffy brush, and I apply the concealer in the areas that I need to perfect. I now apply our cream highlighter in Aurora on the high parts of the face, such as cheekbones, temples and brow bones. Finish this look off with a small amount of powder. I like to use a large fluffy brush to dust some of our translucent powder to the T-zone. And that's how I create my no makeup look.